Schools are at the heart of our communities. They're places of connection and growth. A building that says, "Welcome, this is a safe and comfortable place," gives students, teachers, staff a sense of belonging where they can be open to making connections, learning and teaching, and thriving as a school community. A school is a place where people gather, and it becomes a heart when the connections and ideas that are made at school extend back out into the community. The renovation and addition at Daniel Bagley Elementary transformed their campus to bring the entire school community together in one building. Renovating and preserving a 1930s brick school building required integrating new technologies, safety, accessibility, and educational improvements. First thing you'll notice at Bagley is the renewed entrance that's secure and accessible to all. Views were created from the school office, allowing for office staff to supervise the main hallway, transforming what had once been an enclosed admin space. The library now has a more centralized location with direct access to the playground and the school learning garden. North-facing windows fill the space with daylight. All the historic spaces were brought up to current energy code with new LED lighting and a new high-efficiency heating system with displacement ventilation and ceiling fans, all of which lends to a more comfortable learning environment. The design focused on creating equity between the classrooms in the new addition and the existing building. Finding space in the existing building for shared learning was a challenge. New alcoves were carved into the hallway walls, creating spaces in what was already an actively used hallway. New structure to strengthen the building for earthquake safety was hidden within the building's walls to maintain the existing historic character. Unreinforced masonry walls were removed throughout the entire building. The classroom addition builds on the existing circulation and takes advantage of what was once envisioned as a connection point in the original 1930s design. The new addition, it's organized around shared learning commons with north windows that face onto the historic cedar trees. The color palette for the new buildings draws from the warm, variegated colors of the historic brick and stone. The new gym addition is set away from the existing building, creating a courtyard for historic cedar trees and space for the school learning garden. Unique details were preserved or reconstructed, and new energy-efficient systems were integrated into the school, bringing fresh air directly into the spaces and reducing the energy use on campus as a whole. The building additions are arranged in a way that allows the historic building to be the prominent feature of the site. The additions create a cohesive feeling throughout the school and reflect Bagley's educational priorities. The completion of this project brings a renewed home for the Bagley Bees and their surrounding community.